Randy here with USA One Industries with a helpful tip on how to install fender emblems on a 73 to 87 Chevrolet truck. So I've got the 81 to 87 Silverado tan fender emblems here. They come installed or come in the package with the gasket for replacement. They're also going to come with the original style thread nuts. And I'll hold that up to you so you can see exactly what the difference is. So the original nut just threaded onto the plastic, and what we offer separate is what they call a barrel nut or a tubular nut, and that really makes it a lot easier if you're going to install these with the fender on the truck itself. So originally you had to get in behind the fender, which really meant you had to take the fender off, because that area of the fender is really right up against the cowl. So there was no real way to get your hand in there behind it to take these nuts off and put the new ones on. So if your fender already has the original emblems off, then all you have to do is take these new tubular nuts and just start it in the hole. And you can just take thumb pressure if you need to. You can use like a rag and a rubber mallet to tap them in. But most of the time it'll go in quite easy. So the back of the emblem doesn't have any threads actually cut on it. It's quite smooth. So all you have to do is just line up both holes. And then I would suggest in that same area, just take some thumb pressure and you just push until you actually get the emblem to press all the way in. Again, you might need to use something to protect the emblem, and then a rubber mallet or something to be able to tap it in, because it is a tight squeeze and a tight fit. So we got the emblem pulled all the way to the fender now. It's got the nice factory appearance to it. Even though we use the barrel clips, there's no difference in using it or the thread nuts. It pulls it all the way to the fender, so looking from this angle here, there's no gap to the paint job itself. So you can use this method safely for the 73 to 87 fender emblems, along with other emblems that install with that same stud style thread nut. So you can buy any of these emblems or the nuts through our catalog or online at usa1industries.com.